Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Get Cooking. I have an easy one today. This is a no-bake lemon pie. Now, it only has 4 ingredients. Philadelphia cream cheese, lemon curd. I prefer Trader Joe's, but I didn't feel like driving that far. Pure vanilla, and you need whipping cream. But I'm going to add something, I have to change it up a little bit. I'm going to be using some lemon strips that you use like at cocktail parties. They put them in drinks and stuff, and it's in a lot of liquid, so I'm going to definitely add some of that. And the funny thing is, I didn't have, you got to have a graham cracker crust. So I didn't have a mixer. I just found that out about 15 minutes ago, and by the grace of God, my neighbor who travels for her job, she said she was just pulling in her driveway. So I kind of cracked up at her little mixer, because I threw mine out. You know I don't make cakes, I told you that. But anyway, let me put you on pause, get everything set up, because it's only 4 ingredients. I'm going to make it 5, and this has to go in the refrigerator, and it's super, super easy. And thanks for checking me out, and I have a joke for you guys. Let me put you on pause, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have my softened cream cheese here in the bowl, and I have to whip this for like 2 to 3 minutes. So I changed positions and so I could see the clock from this angle, because it's supposed to go 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. It's supposed to be on high. Okay, that was 2 minutes. You know I'm big on time. I figured it would need 3. So this is to scrape down the sides. It doesn't look like it's very much. And then the recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of whipping cream. So I have 1/3 of a cup here. I'm going to add 2 of these to this. 1, 2. I'm going to continue whipping this. This time it says on medium. Now honestly, I forgot how long it said to whip this, so I'm going to whip it until it's smooth. Okay, then you're supposed to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next time I'm gonna get some vanilla bean. This is almost gone. And then you need 1 10-ounce jar of lemon curd. And like I said, I prefer Trader Joe's, but it's extra like 15 minutes from my house. I didn't feel like driving that far. And you add this in. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned it's a 9-inch graham cracker crust pie shell. And a disclaimer, I'm not a big fan of graham crackers at all, period. But I can get past it with this pie. But normally, that's not a crust I like. So I'm gonna continue to whip this till it's smooth. You have to scrape down the sides to make sure this is fully mixed. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on pause for a minute and turn the camera around because I'm gonna get ready to put this into the pie crust. Okay, I've got my graham cracker pie crust, and then I also opened the jar of the lemon strips gourmet cocktail. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to this. Oh, making a mess. Just because. And stir that in. And the beauty of this pie, like I said, it goes in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours, or you can put it in the freezer. I'm gonna put it in the freezer because my girlfriend Leslie, who gave me the mixer across the street, she said she didn't mind if I mentioned her name. 6 o'clock. I'm gonna take it right back over there in just a few minutes because this has to sit. I'm gonna let it sit for 6 hours. But this is a really easy pie that I think you'll love if you like lemon. And a disclaimer, I don't like anything lemon. I will not eat a lemon cake, lemon pound cake, anything. Only thing I like lemon is lemon meringue pie and pies like this. I don't like any, well, I'm not a cake fan. I think if you're watching any of my videos, I tell you that I like pie. I'm not a cake fan. The only cake I like is chocolate cake. So, seems like, well, I guess it's thick enough. Just gonna spread this evenly across. And it's funny, Leslie said in our driveway, she said, come down and get the mixer. She said, I want to subscribe to your YouTube channel, but I don't know how. And that's kind of funny. A lot of people don't know how. I told her she had to have a Google email. Her husband was standing there. She had to ask him, did she have a Google email? And he said, yes. And I told her, you have to sign into Google. And then I told her, if you go on my page, you will be able to find a little watermark in the lower right corner that my editor put there that'll make it easy. And I think they say subscribe on there anyway. But anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I know I've had a lot of people contact me and tell me that they didn't know how to subscribe, but it's all good. I am the less computer savvy person you'd ever want to meet. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys on pause. Remember, I have a great joke. I'll come back, and I think I'm gonna, when this sets, I'm gonna add some of these pieces of them that they put on cocktails. This is really good. They put inside cocktails. I'm gonna lay some pieces on top, just so it'll be cute. But anyway, I'll be back to tell you about, guys, my joke and cut the pie and show you how it looks. Okay, I took the pie out. I did put it in the freezer for about 4 hours. Then I moved it to the refrigerator last night. So I put the lid that came with it on top. So I'm gonna put you on pause and take the lid off and cut it and then tell you guys my joke. Okay, I'm gonna cut this while I tell you my joke, but I had to tell you guys, these are candied lemon pills. These are absolutely delicious. I could eat this whole jar just like this. You gotta try these in any lemon recipe you're making. So let me go ahead and cut this, tell you my joke. This woman was at the dentist office and she told the dentist that she would rather go through childbirth than have him drill in her mouth again. So the dentist responds to her by saying, well, please make up your mind so I know what position to put the chair in. Yeah, see, all my jokes aren't really all that bad. Looks like this crust is gonna really break apart. But let's see. Oh my goodness. Let me try. Let's try a spatula. First piece is always the hardest piece to to get out of a pie. And it may be also because I froze it too. Oh, this is gonna be ugly. So anyway, let me put you on pause and get a nice piece of pie. Okay, I finally got a piece out. You guys have to give this recipe a try. It's really, really good. I'm gonna add whipped cream because this is my piece. And I like it extra sweet. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And God bless and have a good evening.